Hello guys, just me again. Showing you this driveway. This was really washed out before. I should have recorded it before I graded with the plow. Okay, so that's what I gotta do. See, this is in this area. She's washed out. This was all right in the centerpiece. This was all like a riverbed just a while back, and even up here. Well, I'm going to go back and just and show you what this was all about. I'm going to hook up that plastic plow to the truck, and we'll plow a little bit. I'll just leave the camera going. She's washed out pretty in these areas. And then here I might try to put a little bit back up in here too. Okay. See all my fancy lights I put up there, house lights and stuff. Isn't that nice? It's flat earth. Oh. Okay, I'm gonna try to set this up. Hopefully the wind don't blow it down. Just the wind might blow that down, so I'm gonna just pull this up here. Yeah, if I can move it up a little bit. Okay. Now, these ropes, they just hang over this bumper. See, you can just take them off and put them on, and these just go over these. And it rides up against here. Against here, and these chains, when it pulls up, I just hook them in there just for extra precaution, extra safety. So now I'm going to set this up. Here's a controller. This controller, it just goes up and into the window after that. So I just put it in here and up, and I'll put it into the window as soon as I get this plow hooked up. Okay, so I got ropes on there, ropes looped over there, just 2 ropes. You can put more ropes if you want, but you'll just leave it like that. And you'll see maybe what's going on here. I'll try to make it so you can see a little bit, okay? Oh, I found a hose clamp. Let's put that right there. Okay, all I do is I take this plow, lift it up a little bit, and hook these ropes to it. One side. Well, this has only got 1 rope on it, but that's all right. I put 2 on for the winter. On there. And then these chains, put them in there. Just safety precaution. It's solid. And this guy, I got a cable in here, and this just hooks over there. Okay, and that's to get your power. Oh, there's a wire here. There it is. Let's just go over the engine. That guy's in there. Positive, negative, positive, negative. Now, this controller just goes in, around and through the dash. Okay. Over like this. See, one button up, 1 button down. Whoop, hang on. I got that cable's a little bit off in there. Hang on. Can't have that. There. Okay. Don't want trouble. Make sure sure she's rolling on the right way. There. Up she goes. This cable goes through. Oh, I got a little bit extra wire here. I got it tangled over this stick. Okay. This guy just goes through the door and onto the dash. Okay, now I think I got the buttons. So yeah, I got it going the right way. You get used to it one way or the other, the buttons. So that guy just goes over that dash. This guy comes down. Now for the winter I take these few bolts out of here. I take those couple of bolts out, and I take this out for plowing in the winter. I just leave the grill right out. And that's a few minutes to take her in and out. So I just make sure these wires are out from under there. Now let's start this thing, and we're going to go grading the driveway. Oh boy. Yeah. Okay, so you can't see so good with the hood up. Okay, ready to plow. Ready to plow. Now if I could get this camera to stay up here, so I'll try to do it. Okay, I'm going to lower the plow. Now the hood went down. That's all right. Now I raise it, and it's just pushing up the hood a little bit. That's okay. Okay, we're going to go. We're in reverse now. Okay, I'm going to put the plow down and go all the way down to the end of the driveway. You're on video. He doesn't want to be on video, but he's on video now. Okay, I'm going to go all the way down to the end of the driveway. See, it's grading pretty good right there even. Okay. I'm gonna go out here. See how good she's grading. Grading pretty good. I'm gonna go back here, and I'm gonna pick up some of that dirt. I'm raise the plow a little bit so I'm not having a pile there. And I'm gonna go down and go up. See, she's plowing. She's grading. She's grading. Gotta open the window, man. It's hot. It's still hot. Summertime, and you're out with a snowplow grading the driveway. Hey, ain't that neat? Oh, rocks are flying ahead. Raised it. I'm going to go back down. Okay, I'm raising it now. As all this dirt, I don't know, I got a cup here for some reason. There's a cup sort of in your road. Now I'm going to take this dirt from this side of the driveway. I got to bring it back in there. So I'm going to lower the plow again, bring it back in here. This is starting to fall over maybe. Oh. Okay. A little hard on the plastic, but the plastic just lasts and lasts and lasts and lasts. Okay, I'm going to try to skip a little bit of this. Oh, hit a big rock and pull it into this washed out area here. Okay, raise the plow again. See, she's grading, not too bad. Not too bad. Pretty good actually, look at that. Okay, now I'm gonna take this, see I got a scoop of dirt here. Right out there, you can see it. I'm gonna move that up. Big rock again. There we go. See, it sort of just bounces over everything. And I'm going to put it up in here. Okay. Okay, now go back. I'm going to go over to this way. Away from the tower a little bit. Don't want to hit that. Okay, I'm going to run over this way, and I'm going to try to push that dirt. There's dirt over here. Whoa, there goes the camera. Yeah. There goes the camera. I got to drive with one hand now for a minute. Oh, yeah, I know. You want me to put a seatbelt on, right? Yeah, stupid. There should be a way to shut that stupid thing off, eh? Okay. Okay, all the dirt is being pushed back up over here. Now I'm gonna take some of this. Oops, the camera gonna stay there. Okay, I'm gonna move some of this over there into that bridge. Up goes the plow. Back we go. See, it's pushing that dirt pretty good in there. Right into that hole there. I think we're in the hole. Oh, here comes the dog. Yep, watch me doggy. I'll leave the dog alone. I'm just gonna go down here, take some of this gravel off here, and put her down off this edge. And put her down here. Okay, there's quite the gully here. Get out to the highway. I'm going to raise it up. See, it pushed quite a bit of dirt out there. I don't really want it out there because that's part of our driveway, eh? So I'm going to take some of this and move it out here a little bit. And leave it there. Go down here and I'm going to back drag it. So you can even back drag with back blade or whatever they want to call it with this plow. And it works pretty good. Okay, see how nice that works? Now this driveway almost looks like a grader went through here. Okay, so I'm going to pull a little bit more out, pull it up now, the plow, and I'm going to pull a little bit more of this dirt into that hole. Back dragging. Okay, I raised her up. Go down, raised it up. I'm going to go here and just try to plow this over there a little bit more. And then she'll look just like a grader went through here. Okay, I'm going to stop right here, raising it. Now back dragging. Oh, I missed the pile. See that pile of sand there? I'm going to take it back. I think we're good enough. I mean, it's a gravel driveway. Well, I guess I could this up a little bit, and lots of it's missing off of this. Some of it's coming off this side here, so I'm going to go down and take this over there, put it in a little bit in the rough spots here. And now I raised it, so I sort of it again. Big bloody rock there. Oh yeah, see, I'm scraping up rocks. And well, maybe I'll turn around and just go up there. Okay, these are, I mean, you know, God inspired me to build these things because, you know, necessity is what makes the world go around. Okay, I'm gonna grade upwards now. Put her down and go up. Watch out, Pudley. Watch out. Get out of the road. Watch out. Oh, you crazy dog. Spot there. Now we get out and just take a look and unhook the plow. So to unhook the plow, you just lower it right down and do the exact same thing in reverse. Okay, do up my window, do up the window, and we'll continue on our little tour here. Crazy, eh? Crazy, eh? Anyway, that's the driveway, and that's the dock. Hey, Pud, what'd you say? What'd you say? You didn't get to go for a ride? Yeah, you can go for a walk. Come on, let's go. See, same thing. Same thing. See, this hood didn't catch down, but that's all you do. Just unhook this. Just unhook this. There. That's unhooked. Goes in there. This just gets thrown back in there. This wires come out. This two get just unhooked. Unhooked there, pull this out. And just put her back, throw her on the plow, and, you know, take this controller out of the door. Yes, Budley, we're working. Take that out of there. Close your door. Yeah. And this guy, just take him out of here. She's stuck in there. Okay. And a crappy video recording, but that's alright. Okay. This all just goes back under here. Take your wires out. Take your wires. Put your controller here so it doesn't get rained on. Hopefully. And these hooks come off. And these ropes come off. Just lift it, pull the ropes off. Anyway, that's the video for today. Right? These people got laughs out of my lights up there. Look at that. House lights, eh? Well, boy, they sure help plowing. Are we crazy, Pudley? Yeah. Are we crazy?